How to install Deepseek application. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install Deepseek application. Deepseek AI is a Chinese artificial intelligence that helps to develop open source large language models. Here's how you can install the application. If you are using the Android device, you will need to use Google Play Store, and if you are using iOS, you will need to use the App Store. Here I'm going to open my Play Store. Once you open the Play Store, make sure you are logged into your account. Once logging in, you will land on this home page. Here, you will need to tap on the search icon at the bottom right. By doing so, you will be able to see this interface. In this interface at the top, you will be able to locate the search bar. Simply tap on the search bar and now type in Deepseek. Make sure to enter the correct keyword here. Once after entering Deepseek, now tap on the search icon of your keyboard and then search for it. Within a while, you will get the search results below. From here, you will need to find the authentic Deepseek AI, then tap on this app icon to open it. Now finally here, you will be able to locate the install button. Simply tap on this install button. Now wait until the app gets installed on your device. This depends upon your internet connection, so make sure to have a stable and good internet connection. After installing the application, you will be able to see the open button here. Simply tap on the open button and now follow the instructions to create an account on it. So by following these steps, you should be able to install Deepseek application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.